Hey. Oh, you wanna get like me? Yep. I'm over here, got sitting up, I sitting on this beat. Hey, still I'm over here not talking about these other people rhyming. Still I'm over here talking about, oh yes, I'm trying to shine. Chime in, different flows, still I come with my flow. People calling me the man, but others trying to call me ho. Hold up, let me tell you, I'm that gentle letter, it's that one. Call me Jay, I'm over here, oh yes, I'm going to sit on some. I got my hair in my mouth, so I will pull it out. The people's over here, maybe yes and no, not the trap. The trap music, they saying it wasn't this coming on. Do you want to be that one, that do you want to have your own? I'm in my lane and buzzing, I'm in this game. The people talking about the company, your brain is pain. The pain is over here, summer, what is you gonna do? If you snooze, it's a homie, oh yes, you gonna lose. Stop, you think about it just to keep yourself on it. I'm over here, but you, oh yes, I'm going to run on it. Let me keep it slower, maybe slower, can you keep it up? I'm over here, oh yes, I'm about to come and speed up. Sitting up on my bike, but what bike you